In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a smooth transitions between clips in your video using Veed. Transitions are a great way to make your videos flow better and look more professional. So currently, Veed is under maintenance, so I can't show you the process directly, but I'll guide you through the steps, and once the size is back up, you can follow along. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Veed.io, and then if you don't have yet an account, you can create one using your Google account or sign up manually in here. So once you are on the dashboard, you will see a create new project in here. So click on that to start your project. So actually, you can drag and drop your videos and it will automatically create your new project in here. So yeah. So if you have one long videos and want to add transitions, so assumingly we have an access, as you can see, it's still down or under maintenance. So assumingly we have an access on that. So if you have one long video and want to add transitions between specific sections, you can split the video. So to split a clip, place the playhead where you want to cut it and then click the split button on the timeline, and then click on the transitions button in the left hand menu, and then you will see different transition styles such as a fade, slide, zoom, etc. So after that, apply the transition. So once you've chosen a transition, you can just drag it between the two clips on the timeline where you want the transition to occur, and then adjust the duration of the transitions by clicking and dragging the edges of the transitions on the timeline. After applying the transitions, you can fine tune its settings by clicking on it, and then you can change the durations. And then after that, hit the play button to preview the transitions and make sure it looks seamless. And once you are satisfied, you can export your video and download and share. And that's how you can add transitions in Vid.io. It's a simple way to make your videos feel more dynamic and engaging. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.